Sup, guys? Sorry, won't change what had happened. We lost over 450 something gigs of footages, and it contains more of the interviews of the final year students, of those who are interested in making their final year much more better because you see what someone has done and you're able to improve on it or even bring another aspect of what it just shows the guidance of whatever you're going to do on your final year. And it also contains funny and yet educative content that we have filmed within the campus. And finally, it contains the embargo, which we said in the last video. If you can watch it, the cafeteria and what is new in the university, which is the cafeteria and the hostel, of course, which is coming up next. But that embargo really, that embargo really is a heartbreaking moment for this channel because we'll be hoping that one day this will happen and it actually happened. And me sharing this experience to you means a lot for me. And that's why you have to like the video, you know what I'm saying? Anytime we upload, because it is heartfelt for us to go to shoot all this content and post it for you guys to see. So, but we are unable to do that. So in every video that we are about to shoot, we always get enough details about whatever we're going to talk about in the video. And we are so conscious of whatever we are going to say out there because if we give you the wrong information, obviously we are misleading you guys. So if JSC is really listening, we would love to get more of these cars to show people what cars is all about and getting out the content of what we want to watch and how it should feel like. And we have been suffering from upgrading our cameras, our gears, and this is what we lack in the channel. But I hope one day we'll be able to give you the high quality car videos that we'll be hoping to do for a long time, you know.
And we also want, what do we even say? Wait, show that for me. Aha, yeah. Christmas. Okay, we want a short gift from Jack Motors. Yeah, I think this is Jack Motors. Yes, okay. Yes, Jack Motors. So that is where we want a Christmas voucher, which is worth 25,000. And this short gift is a voucher card whereby we'll go to any of their merchants, their partner merchants, and get our gift from them. So this happened during last year, which is 2024 December. That is when we won it online during their Instagram giveaway. So we won the voucher. And after we won it, so we didn't have a place that where we can come to collect it because we're in school that time. So traveling from Ondo to Lagos just for the 25,000 naira is like transport for everything was different. So we had to wait till when we had submitted our internship form. At least that to give us more reason to come to Lagos and collect it. So this is the show voucher card. I think
give me back the voucher.
So I think upon entering to Jack Motors, I was amazed by the way the doors opened for me. So I know it opened the door for me. Now I'm saying, so it's the first time that doors open for me. You know, I feel now, I feel like a ball. I was like, now I'm saying, okay. So that's when the door opened for me and I got inside and I saw different brands of JC and their cars are very well organized. Like the way they organize place is very well good. And also the individuals there are also pleasant. You know, the workers there are also pleasant. They are soft, friendly, and it was easy for me to find my way around to the head of marketing. And that's when they gave me the voucher card number one.
Yes, and when we are still in the university, when we are invited to the registrar summit, we met the officials of the marketing direct heads, you know what I'm saying? So we spent time speaking with them and the man said, you know, I've seen some guys that have potentials in cars and loving cars, you know what I'm saying? So he sat down with us, discussed with us, give us many insights about cars. I appreciate his time, Sajide, and he's the one inside there. We met him, so he gave us the voucher and we are pleased. So before my phone died, guys, they gave us, we bought pizza, jollof fries, and what?
Bottle water.
Bottle water.
The bottle water, confina water. That's what we bought. Then also bought outside. So easy to over to. So I say hard work pays. Sometimes you need to participate in some kind of homes.
Bro, like The hard work is crazy. Like how we did actually won the voucher. So just one time they just put it up during Christmas time, during Christmas season. Now.
Okay, shall we begin?
Yeah, we shall.
We leave the first one. Go from first.
All right.
Nice. This is
We just came out from meeting our internship leaders.
alright. So it's this.
Right.
So it's pretty try.
Yeah, school the child. So this amount 1,200,
It's not so that.
bro.
Yeah.
Man, that's crazy, man. Did you test me? Is it the scarf better than
It's not
it's not standard, but is it better than cap?
It's not covered. I'll cover it. It's more than wasting. The amount of rice, quality less than so. This of fact that
I think this is just beginning something huge. But video editors out there, I'll see you on the other side. Stay tenacious.